What's up, YouTube? Bitch boy Pop Cuz. We're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to go buy some brand new 26 by 14 HC15s hardcores. I found them on Facebook Marketplace and I just can't throw the deal away. I have to go pick them up. I'm not gonna tell you why I'm picking them up just yet. I also have to run some errands. I gotta go to the post office, drop some wood lights off. I sold some wood lights, gotta drop them off. If you didn't buy your wood lights yet, they're $230 for double row, $275 quad row, plus $10 shipping. You can DM me on Instagram at Papa Cuz to get you a set. And once they're made, the next day they will be shipped, y'all. So 3-day shipping, you can't get them. It's the fast turnaround time ever. Holidays coming up, so get your set right now because you don't want to wait too long. Then I get backed up on orders and it take a little bit longer than what you expected. So get them right now. You can also tell I did not say purchase a waffle ticket because it's only 15 spots left and I'm pretty sure they're going to be sold before this video go up. So I'm not even going to say go purchase them because I'm pretty sure it's going to be sold out. If you didn't purchase a ticket, I feel bad because that was like the perfect deal for $30. You could have won those KG1s. They were 24 out 14s. Brand new, never been mounted before. I am going to go do a truck review today. I'm going to be doing a truck review on a GMC CR. I don't know the year just yet, but he is on 26 by 14s. I know you guys want to see it. I'll throw that inside the video as well. But before I head there, I got to go run some errands. I got to run to the bank, go get the money for the wheels. Got to go meet the guy for the wheels. And I got to go to the post office. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to Charlie Best. Follow me on Instagram at Poppin' Clutches. And I'll see y'all when I get there. Say I purchased our wood lights, getting close to the holidays and I'm already shipping. I got a quad row, double row. Yes, I gotta send 3 more. Today I gotta send more. So y'all get them, man. I'm telling y'all, they going fast. I literally made these last night, got them done for them to be shipped out this morning, and now they about to go out there and get them in 3 days, y'all. Alright guys, so I made it over to the post office and I'm about to run this inside there. Alright guys, so I just got the receipt and now I'm about to go buy the wheels. Alright guys, so this is the money. Those are the rims and I'm about to get them right now. These are the rims right here, y'all. Brand new in the box. He asked me how am I gonna get inside this Honda. I'm about to show you how I'm gonna do this, watch. Yeah, I'm taking them out the box. These things brand new. Look good to me. Now I'm about to give him his money right here. That's all you. It's your money. These things are good.
I gotta count you.
Yeah, it's right. It's right. We got a problem. That didn't fit on top of there, so we're gonna try to put this inside the truck. We're gonna see. So I got this one right here inside the trunk. What we're gonna do is stand all 3 of these rims up so they ain't just all laid back. They'll just be rocking back and forth, but I'm pretty sure our chair will stop it because that's the only way they're gonna fit in here. I was nervous for a second at first. I didn't think it was gonna fit. 26 is in a Honda. 26 is in the Honda. Uh-oh, wait. We gotta make sure we can close this door. Huh? Okay, you say you want to get a little girl a shout out? What's their name?
Riley and Ryo Petty.
Shout out to his daughters. Just so you guys know the specs, I decided to take this right here. Well, he helped me out decide to take this. Y'all see the specs for when y'all get all the information of these wheels. So I'm bringing this with me just in case. Appreciate that, man. Right, nice meeting you. Thank you so much. All right, I see you. All right, guys, this is day 2, and my girl's about to go run this package to the post office. Someone brought a full set of wheel lights, then somebody brought just the LEDs. I do set the LEDs by itself. If you want those, you already got your brackets and everything. It do look like it's about to rain. I hope it don't, because right over there look like it's about to rain. Then over here it looks sunny. That's how Georgia weather is. I don't know. But with that being said, I got a special guest going to be on the channel today, driving all the way from South Carolina. Y'all, this is crazy. Everybody should already know him. I'm pretty sure the YouTube people probably don't know him, but the Instagram people, y'all know exactly who he is. I'm not going to say the name till you get here. He powder coated literally every single thing. Not a piece in there, not powder coated. Everything is powder coated. Looks so good. I might go run and get a haircut real quick while she's running to the post office. I gotta get freshened up. I'm doing a video on his truck and I'm doing a video on another truck. They both the same. I gotta get them knocked out today. And hopefully it don't rain, y'all, because it look like it want to rain, but I hope it don't. But I'm about to go to the barber shop and I'll see y'all when I get back. All right, guys, I just got my hair cut. I told you I hate Georgia weather. Look at this. It's already raining. I mean, I guess you can tell who that is right there, literally. Bro, this thing right here is massive. Golly. That particle looks so good. Dietrich, what up, bro? The channel never thought they'd see you here. Yeah. Not in Atlanta. What's up, bro? You know you was on my last video.
Yeah.
What you on, 35s? You spending 35s like that?
All the time.
Golly. I see a wood light back here out.
It's broke, bro.
I see it. You got a double row strip. All right, so look, I'm gonna have Dietrich tell everything he got done to his GMC. Dietrich, you wanna do that?
What?
Tell them everything you got done.
I can.
All right, bet. Say the year, make, and model, and from the headlights back to tail lights, everything you got done to it.
All right, 2016 GMC.
Sierra. That thing look nice right there. That thing look nice. I need to hook this up in mine. I gotta do this.
GMC headlights. Got a little bit of powder coat.
A little bit. That's a lot of powder coat, bro.
A little bit of powder coat.
That's a lot. Look at this. That's a lot of powder coat.
You got an iPad in there.
Jeez. Y'all see that big old radio?
That
thing look nice.
Some Boat speakers in the back.
What made you do that?
Something different.
Oh, so they louder than the other ones?
Got a little bit of powder coat back here. A little bit of Fox shot.
I see you.
A little bit of powder coat. I can't tone up.
What's the exhaust setup on here?
I think it's true dual straight back.
All right, so look, you on 26x14s, right?
Yep, with 3-inch spacers in
3-inch spacers.
3-inch spacers in the back, 2 in the floor.
Dang. You gonna do some color matching on here?
Not right now. I ain't worried about it right now.
It'll look good because once you get that bumper done.
Maybe a piece of plastic be white.
Yeah, that's gonna look good.
White.
I was about to say, I even do this white. What, you done ran into the back of somebody? You acting like Jamar right now. Nah, you done ran in the back of somebody.
Somebody hit me.
For real?
Yeah. Then I hit somebody else right there though, look.
Dang, what, you texting and driving?
They pulled out in front of me and I hit them.
Dang.
Somebody need the body, bro. Wheels and tires.
So somebody get his wheels. Y'all DM on Instagram. What's your Instagram? Wait, did you ever get your Instagram back?
No.
Are you serious?
No, I didn't.
Dang. So now what? Did you make a new one?
3,000 followers.
Did you make a new one?
Yeah, 3,000 followers. It's called Lil Dietrich.
Oh, you lame. You ain't follow me.
I don't get on it, bro. It make me mad.
You lame.
I'll get live now on Instagram, get about 10 people on my shit.
You used to have like 300 and stuff.
Yes,
huh?
bro. I don't even get on live anymore.
I just want to know who got the girl packing bag.
I know it's funny.
That's yours? With the girl packing bag. Why you let that man come out like that?
Bro, he trying to hit something this weekend.
Golly, I don't think he gonna hit something if a girl see that.
I might have to go to Atlanta, bro, and see I might have to go see Jamar, old lady. Jamar, we better pull up on Allie.
Jamar, hey, this man said that he got to pull up on your shorty out here in Atlanta.
I want to see Allie, bro.
Bro. Hey, he said go have fun for you and him both. What you doing? I know you from South Carolina. I know he from South Carolina. He got the shorts on, then he got the little cowboy boots, man. Then got the hoodie. What's the point of having the hoodie on if you got the shorts on?
Them pepper steppers.
Why everybody come to my house have warlike problems? Got warlike problems. Golly.
Oh, some dude at work saw me on the video.
And he asked for a picture, huh?
Yeah, he asked me for a picture, took a picture with him. His boat right there, son.
Hey, we showing too much exclusive information on there.
Yep.
Just hit me back when you get off.
All right.
Just say.
I'm going to Mississippi to come back on I'm trying to come back on a different set of wheels.
Bro, how many sets of wheels you own so far?
Well over 30. Probably more than that.
This man, you trade wheels every week. This man trade wheels every week, literally.
Oh, now it's gone. Now it's gone.
It's going? Yeah. Taking over this YouTube channel, guys. Look, it's me, Lil Dietrich, and then you got Bryson in the back. Yeah, today, we're going to take over this YouTube channel today.
We're about to head out to Mississippi, y'all.
About to head out with the camera and all. Y'all catch us on the road. You see the toot rig in the back. Look for me down the road somewhere. If you spot me, I'll give you $10. Oh, look. It's my dad's truck. Look at them little wheels. My dad's gonna be mad, bro. Look. You see the powder coat. Clean. Let's go check out this rig. Got this ball. Y'all like it? It's got a bulk truck sluts. Nothing crazy.
Guys, you know what's so crazy? I'm currently inside this camper right now, editing this video right now. I had to stop real quick because I did not know Dietrich was recording off my camera. So just now when I was vlogging, but yeah, I'll get back to the video. So look, me and Dietrich just traded. I can see this is my new truck. I don't know too much about it. I just see it got a pink lift. What do you call that color? Pink or what?
Illusion pink.
Illusion pink? I don't know, Dietrich. I don't know. You got competition that pulled up. I don't know, Dietrich. I apologize. It's raining outside right now. But golly, that thing look good. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. That thing look clean. Jeez. And he got a Silverado behind him. What's up, bro?
What's going on? How are you?
Chilling, man. How you doing? What's up, bro? How you doing? Good. That truck look good. Your truck kind of more so level, right?
Yeah.
Is it fully level or is it just?
No, it's got blocks in the back and then it's got the 6.5 row country up front.
Okay. Golly, Dietrich, I didn't even see this. Jeez. This man is squatting. Y'all see this right there? That's crazy.
So $100 every time you put me on that camera.
You know what you look like?
What?
You look like a mini chipmunk. You look like a little mini chipmunk. All right, let's go do a review on this truck right here. Hey, you might as well take the little bicycle with you.
No, I'm not running that thing.
Your girlfriend might want it.
Which one?
Oh Lord, see you snitching on yourself already. Look man, what you got going on with this truck? What's the year, make, and model on it?
2017 GMC Denali. It had the Sierra badges on it, but I debadged it, put the Denali badges in the Denali grill.
Oh, okay. You color my shits right here?
Yeah, I did. It's vinyl.
Oh, it's vinyl on it? What kind of lift kit you got on here?
It's 6.5-inch rough country, and then 2-inch blocks in the back.
26 by 14s?
6x14.
Did I say these were lights?
35s, huh?
I saw those were lights, right? Okay, I was about to say, does that metal look familiar? I know that. I know my metal when I see it. Why didn't you put 10 on the front? You got in trouble for it?
I did. I got pulled over back to back in a week. So
what?
I took it off. I'm gonna put it back on there, but
What kind you gonna put on there?
I'm gonna put 5 back on there. That's what I had on the back.
For real?
I got 35 on the front. And it's 5 all the way around.
Yeah, you gotta go back dark, bro.
Oh yeah.
Gotta go back dark. What's up, man?
What up, man?
How you doing?
Good, how about you?
What's up, bro?
What up, bro?
Jeez, that thing look good. I like that. So you in the club yourself? Which one? Yeah.
Stunner.
Are you on Stunner? So all y'all in Stunner?
We all on Stunner.
Oh, okay.
All the Noonan boys.
You gonna do some color matching?
I'm color matching all the black stuff. So like this, doing my tail lights.
DJ, that's what you need to do.
What?
Your tail lights, color match your tail lights too.
I can't afford it right now, bro. I'm kind of tight.
That's if you keep it, cause you quick to sell something.
Keep it. At the end of the beginning of the year, it's gone.
You know, I bet you're not gonna have time to color match it. Yeah, it's gonna be gone. I can already tell you're not gonna keep it.
I should I go to the mud pit this weekend.
No, it ain't.
You don't bet?
Let's take them up here right now.
How much you don't bet?
Take them up here right now.
Right now, bro. No.
Last time you did that, you had your windows rolled down. You got mud in there, didn't you?
There's mud in there now, bro.
Hell no.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you just don't be carrying. Is your roof dented too? For real? Yeah. Not on that truck right there.
Yes.
Swear to God, it's dented.
I've been on it.
Oh nah, you just a local dumbass. You stupid as hell. So what, you just be popping it up sometimes? I guess that's how you let people stand on it, huh? You should make them pay to stand on that. So you just gonna let them mess up your truck for free? Local dumbass.
I'll get it back out.
Local dumbass. All right, so what you got done to the Silverado, bro?
I got a 7 to 9-inch McGoy's. Bum ass wheel lights.
Oh, so they ain't bright.
They ain't bright.
Yeah,
They
so
ain't
you got
bright like yours.
You got to come to the bright side.
Yeah, I got 6s and 7s. And then I got tail lights. That's about it.
That's nice. I like that. So look, let me ask you. Them traction bars on there, what you ordered with your lift kit?
Yeah, they come with a kit.
That look nice. Traction bars on there right there. If you powder coat that, that'd look real good.
Yeah, I need to.
Yeah, that look good. Look at this. Look at this dummy. Leak water?
Yeah, look at the back glass. Look at above the box.
What the fuck, Dietrich?
Seal's broke.
Hold on, wait.
There's
Dang, boy!
There's no seal in there.
Dang, boy! You really let people jump in your truck like that? Golly, your roof is shot. That's where your other cop went. Somebody kicked it off. You see it? This man.
No, it fell out going to Myrtle Beach.
You known for letting people stand on the roof.
Yeah.
I think you started that. You the OG of that. Cause ain't no way in the world I'm gonna let people do that. You different. What you got done to this Tacoma, bro?
Really? Right now, all I got is a 6.5 max track. And I got my wheels. That's really it right now.
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting on a paint job.
You gonna do color matching too?
Yeah.
Hey, Dietrich, didn't you say you want another one of these?
I need a brand new one.
Title for title.
A brand new one, bro. Something new.
It is brand new. We just got it out of the dealership yesterday.
Damn, that's 2022.
Trying to tell you. This 2023. I don't think they make these yet, Dietrich.
If it was black, I would have thought about it. Man.
Bro, I mean, it's nothing but a paint job.
I hate that white truck.
It's nothing but a paint job.
Ain't nothing like a new truck smell.
Boy, you special. You got, let me see, you got heart earrings. What you doing? You and Jamar in that Sim stuff. Y'all some light skin
I'm not
Sims.
like Jamar.
Bro, y'all some light skin Sims. Why would got heart earring? You done took your girl earring before you came down here.
Yeah.
All right, see, I'll make sure y'all follow Logan on Instagram. What's your Instagram, Logan?
_Logan Jordan.
All right, so that's his Instagram. He got the Tacoma right here. Then I'll make sure y'all follow Cole on Instagram. Cole, what's your Instagram?
Cole.Smith, I think.
Yeah, y'all. Oh my God. Here we go. One of these. Y'all follow Cole on Instagram right there. That's his Instagram.
Please.
If this camera will focus. Yep. That's his Instagram. And then what's your Instagram? What's your Instagram? That's his Instagram right there. So y'all make sure y'all follow him. He got that Silverado right there. Got Logan came, brought some wheel lights from me. Came all the way out here from what? Noonan, right? Noonan. Brought some wheel lights. And he about to be bright, y'all. I'm telling y'all, he about to be bright.
Had to come get some.
Had to come get some. Here you go. This is all yours right there. Thank you, bro. say, Dietrich?
I don't care about the wheels.
You say you just gonna do what?
That's about them.
So look, Dietrich about to swing up outside of here. I don't know if this gonna be good or not or what. But he said if he curved the wheels, he said go get him some new ones. So hey. Jeez, they mad. He mad. This dude right here got mad because he's doing the burn. Now look at him. Look at him. Mad is on the way. Bro, look at this man roof, bro. I had to go back to this. This is crazy, bro. So look, how y'all bang it back? Bang it back.
Huh?
It don't bang back? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Dietrich! I can see your knuckles in it.
For real?
You be banging it back for real. Oh nah, Dietrich.
It went back up, bro.
Bro, you are hilarious, bro.
It's me.
You are funny.
Fuck it, dog. It's only me.
You funny.